Check 5V0-35.21 practice test questions to prepare yourself for VMware vRealize Operations Specialist exam and increase your chances of passing it on the first attempt. 1. An administrator is using the troubleshooting workbench in vRealize Operations for troubleshooting purposes. Which other vRealize suite products data will be shown in this view when the integration is configured? A. vRealize Log Insight. B. vRealize Network Insight. C. vRealize Automation. D. vRealize AI Cloud. 2. Due to multiple hardware failures, several virtual machines were corrupted and are being restored from a recent backup. One of the corrupted virtual machines was the primary replica node of a large production vRealize Operations Manager cluster. How should the system administrator resolve this availability issue within vRealize Operations Manager? A. Remove the corrupted node, and then disable and re-enable vRealize Operations Manager High Availability to reassign the primary replica role to another existing node in the cluster. B. Deploy a new vRealize Operations Manager node, and then add it to the existing cluster. C. Clone an existing primary vRealize Operations Manager node, and then add it into the vRealize Operations Manager cluster. D. Ask the backup administrator to restore the corrupted primary replica node, and then refresh the nodes from the vRealize Operations Manager Administrator interface. 3. Which two pricing card types are available in vRealize Operations? Choose 2. A. Cost-based. B. Static-based. C. Rate-based. D. Allocation-based. E. Demand-based. 4. An administrator is working on a non-credential-based service discovery in a virtualization environment using vRealize Operations. Which package is a base requirement of the virtual machine? A. Telegraph Agent. B. .NET. C. Remote Collector. D. VMware Tools. 5. Which actions can be performed on vSphere virtual machine from vRealize Operations Product UI? Choose 3. A. Create virtual machine snapshot. B. Delete virtual machine snapshot. C. Move virtual machine. D. Add virtual disk. E. Expand virtual disk. F. Add vCPU. 6. Which two statements accurately characterize reports in vRealize Operations? Choose 2. A. Views and dashboards are the only data types available for a report. B. Only PDF-type reports can be used to schedule a report generation. C. A report layout can contain table of contents, cover page, and footer. D. Scheduling of reports can be done hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly. E. Reports scheduled for generation can only be shared out via email. 7. Which type of node in a vRealize Operations (VROPs) design allows an administrator to scale out VROPs to monitor very large environments? A. Remote collectors. B. Replica primary nodes. C. Primary nodes. D. Data nodes. 8. An administrator is using vRealize operations to optimize capacity within a vSphere data center. The administrator will use the main categories for reclamation that are shown under the Reclaim view on the home screen navigation. Which 3 main categories are available to the administrator in this view? Choose 3. A. Unused data stores. B. Orphaned disks. C. Snapshots. D. Powered off VMs. E. VM disks utilized %10 or less. F. Unused hosts. 9. Which 2 additional parameters are taken into account when sizing a vRealize operations cluster using the sizing tool? Choose 2. A. Time series data retention. B. Number of nodes. C. Projected growth. D. Node size. E. Number of current users. 10. A customer is planning to set up a new vRealize operations environment using the following infrastructure. There is one physical location. This location has a few vCenter servers. These vCenter servers will be monitored through vRealize operations. The customer wants to tolerate only one vRealize operations node failure without losing any data in this vRealize operations cluster. Which vRealize operations cluster feature must be used for this requirement? A. Remote collector. B. High availability. C. Continuous availability. D. Stretched cluster.